Let's have a look on the problem. I'm reading for you people. In a game, exactly 6 inverted cups stand side by side in a straight line, and each has exactly one ball hidden under it. The cups are numbered consecutively 1 through 6. Each of the balls is painted a single solid color. The colors of the balls are green, magenta, orange, purple, red and yellow. The balls have been hidden under the cup in a manner that conforms to the following conditions. These conditions have been given are known as your basic conditions. Means no question should violate any of these conditions. These are the basic conditions. Is that clear? So what are the conditions? Number 1, the purple ball must be hidden under a lower number cup than the orange ball. Now, second, the red ball must be hidden under a cup immediately adjacent to the cup under which the magenta ball is hidden. Number 3, the green ball must be hidden under cup 5. So these are the 5 conditions. Sorry, 3 conditions. These are the 3 conditions we have. And we have to interpret these one. But before that, mind this one. In your any test, whether it is GRE, GAT or any scholarship test, in these tests, these questions are coming. So you have almost a 1 minute to the one question. So here are 7 questions, means maximum you can have 7 minutes. But before that, going to attempt the questions, you are required to develop a diagram, a map, whatever be the basic conditions have been given. In these conditions must be interpreted. So first of all, you just go through to the, always you are giving the names, green, magenta, orange, purple, red. These are the names. They can be people, they can be cities, they can be color or whatsoever. But mind this thing, when you are going to solve the problem, you don't need to write down the complete name. You don't need to write down the complete name. Rather than you have to write down GMOPRY. Only first letter you have to write down, because if you are writing the complete name, you will be wasting your time. You will be wasting your time. So very first rule is this one, that you don't need to write down the complete name of any object or name or cities, whatever has been asked in the problem. Second, like shorthand. What is shorthand? Everybody in shorthand has different writing. You are writing in your own way. So I am not saying what I am writing over here, you must follow that one. What suits you, which you can understand clearly, you better write that one. You have to interpret these 3 conditions in a very concise and understandable form. In a very concise and understandable form. What is that one? If we are going to interpret, the purple ball must be hidden under a lower number cup than the orange ball. I don't know what you have written, but I must write down here P is less than O. Purple ball is hidden under a lower number cup than the orange ball. Is it clear or not? Then second, the red ball must be hidden under a cup immediately adjacent, means side by side. Adjacent means side by side to the cup under which the magneta ball is hidden. So it can be either MR, magneta or red, or RM, red and magneta. It is not that one always M comes first or R comes first. It can be any, but they must be all together. They are adjacent to each other. MR or RM, red and magneta or magneta and red. Is that clear? Any confusion? Then the third one, condition is the green ball must be hidden under cup 5. So simply G is equal to 5, nothing else. So these are your codes, you can say. In short hand you have written such things. Now I have written this one. If you have any other codes in which you are comfortable, which you can understand yourself easily, you are allowed. What I am doing, that is none of your business. It is not necessary that you follow me. You can write whatever you want. Any confusion? Sure enough? So these are the first 3 conditions you have to follow. This is the map, you can say. ये मैप आप लोगों को किसी भी सूरत में फॉलो करना है. आगे in advance questions there will be additional conditions for each of the question, but that condition will be for only that particular question, not for all. Not for all the questions. For all the questions, these are the 3 conditions, and if any condition is given further in any question, that will be pertaining to that particular question. Is that clear? Now this problem is basically known as your linear ordering problem. Linear ordering problem, because straight line hai, and that one you have the 6 or 7 or 10 or whatever be the number of items are there, they have been given. So this is your linear ordering problem. Okay? Any confusion? Sure enough? Okay, Baba. So now you have the question in your hands, or even it's not, I have given. Number 1 question, which of the following could be? Now mind it, the words could be means there can be more than one possibilities. Could be. These are the words which will play a vital role while you are solving the questions. If there could have would have been the word must be, means there is only one chance, nothing else. Is that clear? So these words are of very importance. These words are of very importance. That which of question number 1, which of the following could be the colors of the balls under the cups in order from 1 to 6? Now you don't have any other option left in linear ordering. What you have to do, you will take one by one option and you will compare with your conditions. Or I have another method. What I myself apply, that is a little bit shortcut to this one. What is that? Clear condition is third one. G is equal to 5. Green must be on 5 position. So look at this one. In your first A, green is not at 5. In B, C, D, E, there is green. That means A you have ruled out. There is no chance that A must be the answer. A is not your answer. Means you have ruled out it. You have ruled out it via condition 3. Condition 3 you have ruled out this one. Then second B, magneta green, purple, red. Because we have to keep red and magneta side by side, adjacent to each other. is they are separated. Magenta is separated from red. So ultimately B is not your answer. Is that clear? Then look at this one, where purple and orange. If orange comes first, that means that is not your answer again. So in D, you can see orange is coming before purple. That means now A is not the answer, B is not the answer, and D is not the answer. So now you are left with, by elimination method, you have rejected 3 answers. By elimination method, you have rejected the 3 answers. Now out of your C and E, any one could be the answer. That is right. So now if we are going E, again E is rejected on the basis of red and magenta are not. This is violating your condition number 2. So E you have rejected. That means now you are left with only one answer, that is C, which is the correct one. Is that clear? Yes, so the answer of the first question is C. Now going to the second question. If the magenta ball is under cup 4, now look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the cups are numbered 1 through 6. Now green is already over here, because G is 5. Green is under cup 5. Now this question says, if the magenta ball is under cup 4, if M comes over here, the red ball must be under cup 3, because red and magenta must be together, must be adjacent to each other. Magenta comes, so ultimately before magenta there must be red. So your red is on 3rd position, so again the answer C is right one. Is it clear? Then third, a ball of which of the following colors could be under cup 6? Could be under cup 6. Means there are more than one balls which can be on your under cup 6. Now first of all, green can never go on to the 6. Why? Because green is always on 5. Then red and magenta must also not be on 6, because they both have to be stick together. Is that clear? Means you have rejected the green, you have rejected the red, you have rejected the magenta. Even your purple cannot be on 6, because if purple comes over here, where does the orange go? Purple must come before orange. Purple ball must be before orange. If purple you are keeping over here, then there is no space left for the orange ball. So 4 colors you have rejected. Now that means we are left with orange and yellow. So there is no any orange in the options, 5 options answers. Yellow is the option. So E is your right answer. E is your right answer. Is that clear? Yes, question number 4. If the purple ball is under cup 4, forget about this one. Purple ball is under cup 4. G is already here. Green is already over here. If the purple ball is under cup 4, the orange ball must be under cup 6. We don't have to look at the other options, because P must be before orange. So orange, for orange only one option is left, that it can only go up to the under 6 cup. Clear? So it is again E is your right answer. Okay. Question number 5. Which of the following must be true? So must be true means it must be in every condition. In every condition. Now if we are looking at option A, the green ball is under a lower number cup than the yellow ball. We have no any basic condition for the yellow ball. First three conditions, is there any yellow condition involved? So we are not sure about yellow's position. It can be, it cannot be. We are not sure about that one. We have to reject this one because it must, the question says must be. Question says must be. The reason is that we don't have any yellow involved in the basic conditions. We don't have a yellow involved in the basic conditions. So it can be or cannot be, may be or may not be, but not must be. So that's why it should be rejected on the basis of the given basic three conditions. Option B, the orange ball is under a lower number cup than the green ball. In the last question, question number 4, you have seen that we placed the orange, look at this one, on 6th. And this was the right answer in our previous question. So that means it cannot be because orange can be above than green. That's why. Then D, the purple ball is under a lowered cup than the red ball. Purple ball is, now you can see the options even because I have given you the permutation and combination. If you go through this one, you will develop the table. Okay, what are the possibilities where it can be the purple? The purple position, definitely not 5, not 6. Rest of 1, 2, 3, 4 positions are available for the purple ball. So what you need to do, 1, 2, 3, 4. Graduate one by one, you must keep the purple ball at first position. Then see what are the available options. Then on second position again, then on third position again, and on fourth position. But definitely it is talking about the purple ball is under a lower numbered cup than the red ball. So red ball, we are over here RM or MR. So purple can come over here. It is not necessary. Even in question number 4, you have solved कि purple अगर 4th पर है, even your purple ball is under 4, so ultimately your red and magenta can come before. Your red and magenta can come before. That's why this even is the wrong answer. That is also the wrong answer. Then the red ball is under a lower number cup than the yellow ball. We are not sure about any of these one. We are not sure about these one because if yellow comes over here, RM comes over here in question number 4, availability, yellow can come over here, or RM and yellow can come over here. So we have more than 4 options almost. हमारे पास 4 से ज्यादा ऑप्शन हो जाएंगे क्योंकि या 3 से के RM MR रखो इधर तो 2 ऑप्शन इसके साथ हो जाएंगे, MR RM रखो तो 2 ये हो जाएंगे. 5 options are there where yellow can be इधर उधर हो सकता है. So we are not sure about this one again. So the leftover answer is the purple ball is under a lower number cup than the green ball. Reason is purple can never cross green. We have already decided the purple can never be on 6th position. Question number 3 मेरे ख्याल में जो solve किया है, question number 3 you have already solved. Over there you have ruled out that the purple cannot be on 6th position. So ultimately purple must come before green. That is the right answer. Is that clear? Then question number 6. If the orange ball is under cup 2, if the orange ball is under cup 2, so now you just follow the instruction. Orange ball is under cup 2 and G is over here. Green is over here. Balls of which of the following colors could be under cups immediately adjacent to each other? Now, here you have to use your sense. Now, you are left with only 3 and 4 position reserved for red and magenta. Red and magenta can only occupy either 3 or 4 position. Okay, so if R is over here, magenta is over here. Definitely purple will be over here and yellow will be here. Because orange is over here, so purple must be on first position. But we can exchange the positions of red and, so it can be M, R, G, Y, O, B. There are no other choices. There are no other choices. So look at this one. Answers. Green and magenta. Over here it can be, over here it cannot be. But the answer is, question is could be green and purple. They are never ever adjacent. Then orange and yellow, they are never ever. Purple and red, never ever. Red and yellow, no. So the right answer is your A option, because green and magenta can be together. Green and magenta can be together. Is that clear? Then go to the question number 7. If the magenta ball is under cup 1, now rule out this one. If magenta ball is under cup 1, so red must be on under cup 2 and green is already on 5. So you are left only with the 3 different options. If the magenta ball is under cup 1, balls of which of the following colors must be under cup immediately adjacent to each other? Now, if you are keeping purple under 3, if you are keeping purple under 3, the positions for orange are left either at 4, then yellow must be here, or yellow over here and orange must be here. If P is to be kept on 3rd position, if purple is kept under 3rd position, then you have 2 options. Either orange and yellow can swap their positions. But if P goes under cup 4, if P comes over here, G is already here, magenta and red are over here, so yellow and orange, there is no other choice, and purple never goes to the 6th position. So now, options, question is, which of the following colors must be under cups immediately adjacent to each other? So green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, and all the 3 options, green and orange are adjacent to each other. In all the 3 options, green and orange are adjacent to each other. This is only possible if you know the ordering of permutation and combination that I have already taught you. Because you have to exhaust all the possibilities in the negation. One of the characteristics was the statement and its negation must exhaust its all possibilities. So you have to write down all the possibilities. So only 3 possibilities are there with the given conditions, and then you are from there extracting your right answer. Is that clear? Any confusion? Thank you.